Hey TechySavvy tribe, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you a quick and easy way to hide those pesky desktop icons on your Mac in just under a minute. Let's dive in. First, click on the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen. This will open up your system settings. Next, select Desktop and Dock from the list. You'll see a section called Desktop and Stage Manager. Now, just uncheck the On Desktop option, and voila! All your icons will vanish from the desktop, leaving you with a clean and clutter-free workspace. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to declutter your Mac desktop. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to TechySavvy for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.